Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can screenshot Google Meet on laptop or PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, I have joined a meeting in the Google Meet, and let's say I'm going to take screenshot of this meeting. If we want to take screenshot, we can use the Windows plus the print screen. So we need to press the Windows key and then the print screen at the same time, like this. And I'm going to practice it one more time. Press the Windows key and print screen on your keyboard. Okay, and then the screenshot will be saved to your device. Or you can also use the snipping tool app on the Windows. You can just go to the search menu and then search for the snipping tool. And you will be able to use it to take screenshot. Press this camera icon, select new, and then you can choose the area like this. Okay, now it's done. And then you're going to save it. I'm just going to save it right here. Click on save. Okay, now it's done guys. And okay guys, that's all the way to screenshot in Google Meet on laptop or PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.